Andy, Betty and Candy had a total of 480 stamps. Betty had 30% more stamps than Andy, while Candy had 30% less stamps than Andy. Okay, in this case, let's pause here for a while. Can you see in this second sentence, this is being compared to Andy, so this is 100%. Okay, and then again Candy, blah blah blah, then Andy. This is the base. Okay, the base is always 100%. So let's see how we can solve this. Andy is equals to 100%. Why? Because of the fact that Andy is here. Yeah, so this is the base. Okay, so let's first compare Andy and Betty. So A and B. So since A is 100%, B will be 100 plus 30%, which is 130. Simplest form is 10 and 13. So this is correct. Alright. Now, second scenario, Candy had 30% less stamps than Andy. So again, Andy will be 100%, and then 100% minus off 30% will be 70%. So this will be 10:7. Okay, so now we compare A is to B is to C. And A, okay, let's look at this part first. So we have A is to B 10:13. So we have 10:13. Then we have this part here, which is 10:7. So we have 10:7. And because in this case 10 is the same, so we put 10 here, then 13, then 7. Okay, total units will be 30. 10 plus 13 plus 7 is 30 units. So how many more stamps did Betty have than Candy? So we have the difference here, and we put a question mark here, which is 6U. Okay, so since 30 units equals to 480, again we find the value of 1 unit, which is 16. So we times 6, it will be 96. So what is the key point or things that you must take note? This will be number 1, the base is always 100%, and in this case, because B is compared to A, so B compared to A, and then C compared to A, so C compared to A. This is repeated identity, so you have second important point. So first one here, second point is here. Okay, third point is you got to make sure that A is the same, and in this case, because A is already the same, you can bring down 10, 13 and 7 without doing much calculation, or rather there's no need to do any calculation at all. Okay, so the rest is just math.